Hello everyone, so I'm sure by now you are able to write all the alphabets. We have started writing words also. It's time to write some quotes or sentences you can say. So we'll be writing the first quote, love your life. ये मैंने लिखा हुआ है normal gel pen से. I'll be using a sketch pen here just to show you the difference of the medium can make a little bit of difference in that also. And you can choose the letters of your choice. It's not important कि अगर मैंने ये Y बनाया you have to make the same. You can make it according to yourself. So easiest for the beginning part what you can do is actually keep your alphabet practices in front of you so that it's easy for you to choose and start writing. हर लेटर को दूसरे लेटर से जोड़ना कैसे है that is very important. So try concentrating on the loops that you are making, the strokes that you are using for that. Because until you do that, and this is not normal cursive writing कि आप एक ही flow में लिखते रहोगे. This is calligraphy. So try using different strokes. It is not important कि आप एक line में लिखे हो something. You can be as creative as you want. And there are no hard and fast rules कि आपको left में ही करना है, right में ही करना है. Of course, parallel shading पे हम लोग थोड़ा concentrate करेंगे. While writing words, you will face problem at times कि आप right में नहीं कर सकते. But there is no problem. You can start from the left side. So now let's start making it. We'll simply write it first. If you want this to be connected, you can also connect it, but I am not connecting it. This E can be made as you want. Now you can see ऊपर में और इसमें मैंने थोड़ा सा difference रखा है. So there is no same thing. You can make changes according to yourself, whatever you are liking more. Like I don't want to make a curve, I have made a stroke like this. We have used this L over here. Over here we'll be using another L, a simple one, because no stroke is required after this. So now moving on to all the down strokes, and we will be shading them, shading or darkening. This should have been made a little bit bigger, but now it's okay. This was up, from here we went down, so again shading the down stroke. See, we went up, again we went down. So make sure you are not leaving anything. Then we went up, we came down here. Again up and a down stroke here. We went up, this is a little down stroke, you can just shade it. This eye won't be shaded. Over here this side we will shade it. Again up stroke, this is down stroke. I'm doing it on the left side because if I do it on the right it will become very hodgepodge, it will become messy. This is going up, this is again down. So we've written love your life. There's different in the thickness of this and that. You could of course make this also this thick, but since I did not make these upper strokes thick at all because I was using a gel pen and I didn't want to put any pressure, so we can write this in this manner. You can use any different colors for writing it.